No, it won't get on there. It's on the very, very top. Right there. Isn't it working?
We have a live stream.
Tell them how we're supposed to be.
How dare you?
Okay. Present.
We already have an agreement.
Present. Okay, first of all, my topic is Burmese pythons. My topic is Burmese pythons, which are invading Florida. They are constantly breeding, and they get very hungry, so they end up eating the alligators. And what I mean by invading is that the problem's getting worse because there's once again constantly breeding, and this caused a lot of chaos for people because the Everglades, there's no tourists anymore because they're afraid that they'll get attacked by one, and which makes them very scared. And a few things I found out is basically the only solutions that people have are to kill them, hunt them, make women's products out of them, like purses, hats. And one solution I found I thought it was sarcastic, but call a hotline called 1-888. I've got one, and they're actually very serious about it, which I thought was pretty funny. And the positive effects about this is that, the pythons, they can bring a lot of money from selling them, and, but it can interrupt their breeding season, which will make the females very angry. And when females are angry, they're possibly willing to strike. But also, the money can actually help a hunter provide for their family, because I can't remember how much it cost, but I think it's $1,000 per skin that they'll give you, and which is a kind of good benefit for some of the hunters around the area because they work really hard. And that's a python striking. And your questions were, which I asked some of y'all yesterday, how large can they grow, and could they eat larger than the human body? What are they affecting around the area, and how many are there in Florida? And last, are they a danger to humans? And Burmese pythons are actually capable of reaching at least 23 feet at the most, and can actually be larger than the human body. They ate alligators, such as that one, and they're pretty big down in the Everglades. And they are eating wildlife around the Everglades, so it is affecting the popularity. And that's what they're affecting, is the environment. And there is at least over 150,000 Burmese pythons in Everglades as we know right now. And they can be harmful to humans because once you stop their breeding process, the females can be very, very cranky, and they'll strike. Or if you're a tourist and your child happens to tease the snake, yes, they're more likely to be in danger to humans. And yeah.
Cool. We have a lot of time, but 2 minutes of questions.
Okay.
For Kaden.
Yes.
What audience were we? Who were you presenting?
Basically,
Who are we supposed
the Congress to help stop it, and anyone else.
So what law were you trying to pass then, or were you just trying to make it aware?
Basically, my point is you can get rid of them, but just do it during the breeding process, because the breeding process is more likely to bring you more problems, because there's going to be a bunch of miniature Burmese pythons all over the place, and it's going to be chaos. Okay, Ray?
Talk about both crocodile or alligator crocodiles and snakes. Which one
No.
was it officially about?
No, the Burmese pythons, if I go back, one of my questions was, could they eat larger than the human body? And they can actually eat alligators. Okay, anyone else? Thank you.
Make sure you get that evaluation filled out. Be looking for those tomorrow. We're going to get the rest of the groups tomorrow and Friday. All right?